Merry Christmas! If you're watching the premiere, it is Christmas morning. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you're having a great day already. If you're watching the replay, comment down below and say hello, and Merry Christmas to you. So today we are talking about, today's the 25th day. We're actually going to have 27 days, 27 days of planner tips in this collaboration with huge thanks to Tamra, the paper and pen girl. These are so challenging for me because there's so many things I want to say, and planning has done so much for me. So our task for this collab is planner accomplishments. So I've been thinking a lot, and I'm going way back to the beginning. I've always been a planner, but the one thing that my decorative planning has helped me to change, like accomplish the most, is learning new things. I learned how to film videos. I learned how to edit videos. I learned how to create good habits. I learned how to track things in my planner, like health, wellness, fitness. I learned how to set a good morning routine, which includes whatever it is you want to accomplish. And that's how I've been able to accomplish a lot of things in a lot of different areas. So, for example, budgeting. I no longer really have to plan budgeting other than trying to keep my expenses down. I don't have to deal with it anymore because I have done all the steps to automate my budget. And my planner has helped me do that. I have learned hand lettering by using my planner to create those great daily habits to practice daily. So I would pick up my planner and practice that every day. My decorative planning has helped me do this. And the reason why the stickers and decorative planning has made the difference in accomplishing more things is because I want to plan. I want to pick up my planner. I want to sit down and decorate it. I want to look at it, which means I'm looking at my goals. I'm looking at my tasks. I'm looking at the things I want to create good habits for, too. Those things that I want to do are in front of me more often, and I've set aside time to work on them. So that is the main thing. It's helped me learn these things. I have been able to, since I started decorative planning back in 2016, I've been able to start an online business, learn YouTube, learn videoing, learn social media, build a little online business, just learn all of that. And all of that is through my planners. The other things I've learned are and practiced through practicing in my planner daily is gratitude, journaling, creativity. I never thought I was a creative person before. And now look at all this creative stuff I have around everywhere because I just started trying it, practicing it, using my planner daily and weekly. And I discovered I have a lot of creativity. Like I can take some washi tape and make like designs. It's amazing. So I've learned that through planning as well. So let's do a little recap of the things that I feel like planning has helped me accomplish. Budgeting, business planning, good habits, journaling, gratitude, hand lettering. Did I say budgeting? Just pretty much everything, because I make the decision about which things I want to do, get better doing, and then work on them at specific times, whether it's daily or weekly or every so often, monthly, whenever it is, it doesn't matter. But you've made a decision and you're going to work on it, even a little bit, because if you don't do that, those things aren't going to happen. Just life gets in the way and you never have time to do that stuff. So planning has made just a huge difference in every area of my life. So here's my challenge to you for 2023. Choose something that you want to accomplish, a goal. Any goal. It can be anything. It can be spending more time with your family. It can be like being more creative. It can be anything you want, but I want you to pick one thing. Get a planner just for that one thing, or a specific place in your planner, whether it's like a certain line item in your planner, depending what layout you're using, or if you're going to use your monthly or that general year at a glance calendar in the front or blank pages in the back. Pick one thing you want to accomplish, pick a place or a whole planner to work on it, and then work on it every single day, at least a little bit every single day. And you're going to accomplish it eventually. Now, don't stop until you get there. Just do a little bit at a time, every day, every week, every month, whenever. Set some time, do it until you get there, and you will accomplish it too. Next up tomorrow, we have Julie's plans, sharing her planner accomplishments. And also on the following day, Tamra will be wrapping up the collab with a giveaway. If you're watching this video, I am also sharing a giveaway. I would like to give away 1 month of membership to the Planner School, which includes classes in planning, goal setting, productivity, hand lettering, all the planner things in the school. You'll get a free month of Hall Pass membership. Leave a comment down below and tell me what your one thing is that you want to accomplish in 2023. And I'm going to pick from the comments under the video someone to give that month of Planner School membership to. Thank you so much for joining me. Stay tuned for Julie's video tomorrow morning at 9, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.